How to calculate log in Excel. So if you want to calculate log in Excel, then first you just need to open up your Excel sheet. Now you can go with a blank workbook or you can go with an existing. So I'll be choosing blank one. Now open your Excel spreadsheet and select the cell where you want to calculate the logarithm. So here's how it works. Syntax equals log number base. Number is the value you want to find the logarithm of. Base is the base of the logarithm. Input your values into the functions. For example, I'll be entering 100 as number and then 10 as a base and hit the enter. And this will give you the result of 2 because 10 raised to the power of 2 equals 100. Now you can again go with the next one, which is equals log. Define the logarithm of 8 to the base 2. Hit the enter. And then the result will give you 3 because 2 raised to the power of 3 equals to 8. And in the same way, after entering the function, hit the enter. Excel will calculate the logarithm for you. You can experiment with different numbers and bases to understand how logarithm works in Excel. So that's how you can calculate log. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.